Hi all, this is Abhay Mahajan and I welcome you all to this series called United by Mathematics, wherein I discuss some elegant problems of different mathematics Olympiads across different countries. So this one is from Moscow 1952 and this is one of the classic problems of angle chasing, and this one is my favorite. Triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC. So this is an isosceles triangle where the vertical angle is equal to 20 degrees. M is a point on side AC while N is on side BC such that angle BAN is 50 degrees and ABM is 60 degrees. We need to find NMB over here. So we need to find this angle. Now, this is a classic question of angle chasing and we have a very elegant solution to this one, very elegant construction using which this question becomes very easy. So let us look at the elegant construction first of all. So the construction is we need to locate a point D on side AC such that angle ABD is 20 degrees. So let us see how does this construction help us. So before that, before using this construction, let us identify what all do we know using the information that is given in the question. So what we have is this angle is 20 degrees. Since these two sides are equal, that means these two angles are known to us. So 180 minus 20 is 160 divided by 2 is 80. So these two angles, angle A and angle B, are 80 degrees each, and that means this angle is 30 degrees. And this little angle is 20 degrees. And construction. So what do we know after the construction? This angle is 20 degrees. Also, let us identify the triangles in which two of the angles are known to us. So what are those triangles? First of all, we have one triangle ABN. Triangle ABN. So two of the three angles are known to us. What else? We also have triangle ABD. Two of the three angles are known to us. Also, there is a triangle ABM. Triangle ABM. So these are the three triangles which I can identify in which directly two of the three angles are known to us. So let us look at ABN. So if we look at ABN, this whole angle is 80 degrees, this one is 50 degrees, and that means this particular angle, this one here, would be 80 plus 50 is 130, and this would be 50 degrees as well. And that means, since in this triangle, these two angles are 50 degrees, that means AB is equal to BN. Right. So angle chasing tells us that AB is equal to BN from here. Let us look at the other triangle, ABD. So ABD, so this one is 80 degrees. This is 20 degrees. So 80 plus 20 adds up to 100. That means this angle is 80 as well. So since angle A and angle D are equal, that also tells us that AB is equal to BD. AB is equal to BD. Right, so AB is equal to BD. So AB is equal to BN and AB is equal to BD. That means BN is equal to BD. BN is equal to BD. All right. What else? So this is 60 and this is 20. So this one is 40. This one is 40. And if we consider triangle BDN, and using this information we have BD is equal to BN and the angle, this angle is 60 degrees, 40 plus 20. So this little angle is 60 degrees. So the vertical angle is 60 degrees and the sides are equal. BD is equal to BN. That means this particular triangle is an equilateral triangle. And that means BD is equal to BN is equal to ND as well. So I'll add ND over here. So ND as well. Also this 60 degrees. So that means this angle is also 60 degrees. This angle is also 60 degrees. All right. So let us look at this triangle now. ABM. Again, two of the three angles are known to us. This is 80. this is 60, which adds up to 140 degrees. That means this angle is 40 degrees. This angle is 40 degrees, and this 40 degrees tells one more interesting thing about the triangle BDM. BDM. So BDM, so two of the angles are 40 degrees. That means BD is also equal to DM. So there is one more addition. BD is also equal to DM. BD is equal to DM. All right. So what do we have? What do we have? Can I also identify this angle? Can I also identify this angle? This can be easily identified because this one is 80, this one is 60, and hence this little angle would be 40 degrees. This would be 40. So 80 plus 60 plus 40 adds up to 180 degrees because angle D would total be, so total angle D would be 180 degrees in total. So 80 and 60 is 140 plus 40. Now what do we have? So we have an interesting thing now. We have in triangle DMN. So triangle DMN, if you look at it carefully, we have DM is equal to DN. DM is equal to DN. This we have already proved. So DM is equal to DN and vertical angle is 40 degrees. That means both of these angles are equal and they are equal to 180 minus 40, which is 140 upon 2. So this is 70 degrees and this whole angle is 70 as well. And this gives the answer because we needed this angle and this angle would be 70 minus 40, which is 30 degrees. So this particular angle that we required was 30 degrees. I hope the solution is clear and you've enjoyed the solution using this elegant construction that we did. For more questions of these type, please like, subscribe and share this video. See you.